How to check P-EBT card balance? Follow these instructions. Find your state's EBT website like connectebt.com or ebtedg.com using your state name and EBT balance. Go to the website and click on Cardholder Login or Check Balance to start the process. Enter your 16-digit P-EBT card number when asked and proceed to account login or registration. If you're a new user, create an account by adding card info, your name, and setting a PIN password. After logging in, your current P-EBT balance will appear on the home screen or account dashboard. You can also call the number on the card back, enter your card info, and hear your balance by phone. Or check the balance after a purchase. Your receipt will show remaining balance at the bottom. Thank you for watching.